At IVAS, we believe that a beautiful home goes hand in hand with a healthier planet. By choosing IVAS Modular Kitchens, you are not just elevating your living space, you are making a positive impact on the environment. For every kitchen sold, we pledge to plant 2 trees. Our commitment to sustainability means that every kitchen you bring into your home is a step towards a greener future. Experience the joy of cooking and creating in a kitchen that's not only functional and stylish, but also environmentally responsible. So, let's build not just kitchens, but a sustainable legacy for generations to come. Choose IVAS Modular Kitchens and be a part of our campaign, Your Kitchen is Carbon Neutral, where home upgrades meet the promise of a greener, brighter world.